Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Speak English with Ease. I'm your host, Alianna.
And I'm Jackson. Thank you for joining us today, wherever you are in the world. Maybe you're drinking coffee, maybe you're walking home, or maybe you're practicing English right now.
And if you are, we are very proud of you, because learning a language takes courage and consistency.
Exactly. And today, we're talking about something very important, something that changes everything. How to stop translating in your head and finally start thinking in English.
You know, Jackson, so many students tell me, Alianna, I understand English, but I cannot speak.
Oh yes, I hear that all the time. People study grammar for years. They memorize vocabulary. They watch videos. They read books. But when someone says, "Hey, how are you?" their brain suddenly goes completely blank.
Exactly, because their brain is doing too much work. First, they think in their own language, then they translate to English, then they worry about grammar, then they panic.
And by that time, the conversation is already over.
That's why today's lesson is powerful. The secret is not learning thousands of words. The secret is learning useful daily sentences until they feel natural.
Like breathing, like muscle memory, like riding a bicycle.
The method we're sharing today uses 99 powerful daily life sentences. These sentences cover work, feelings, social life, greetings, daily routines, emergencies, opinions, and simple conversations.
And the amazing thing is when you repeat these sentences every day, your brain slowly stops translating. You simply respond naturally.
Exactly. You don't build the sentence word by word anymore. You remember the whole feeling of the sentence.
Now let's teach everyone our favorite technique, the double practice method.
It's very simple. Step 1, listen carefully. Step 2, repeat the sentence 2 times. That's it.
The first repetition trains your brain. The second repetition trains your mouth.
And slowly, your pronunciation becomes smoother, your confidence becomes stronger, and speaking feels easier.
Okay, everyone, let's practice together. Nice and slow. Ready?
Sentence number 1. I am absolutely starving right now.
Starving means extremely hungry. Now repeat 2 times.
Very good. Next sentence. I am totally exhausted after work today.
Exhausted means you have no energy left. Repeat 2 times.
Amazing job. Next one. It is really no big deal.
We say this when someone apologizes for a small mistake. Example, sorry I'm late. No big deal. Now you try.
Excellent. Next sentence. I am already on my way there.
This means you already left your house and are traveling now. Repeat slowly, 2 times.
Okay, Jackson, let's do a natural conversation.
All right, let's pretend we meet after a long time.
Jackson, long time no see.
Jackson, wow, what have you been up to lately?
Not much, just the usual daily stuff. Working, teaching, drinking too much coffee.
Same here. Honestly, I've been super busy recently.
Busy is okay, but remember to rest too.
True. Last weekend, I was totally exhausted.
Oh no. Did you at least eat good food?
Absolutely. Actually, I was starving, so I ordered 2 burgers.
2 burgers?
Don't judge me. It was a very stressful day.
Now listen carefully, everyone. This next part is important. Thinking in English does not mean being perfect.
Yes, you do not need perfect grammar to communicate.
Native speakers make mistakes too.
The goal is communication, not perfection.
When you learn full sentences like, I'm on my way, I'm exhausted, no big deal, your brain saves them like ready-made tools.
So instead of translating, you simply use them naturally.
Exactly. That is the moment English becomes real.
A lot of listeners are probably thinking, but my pronunciation is bad.
And that's okay. Everybody starts somewhere.
You do not become fluent overnight.
Fluency is built little by little, day by day, sentence by sentence.
Consistency is the bridge between where you are now and where you want to be.
Okay, listeners, quick practice. If you are very hungry, what can you say?
I am absolutely starving.
Perfect. If someone apologizes for a tiny mistake, what can you say?
It's no big deal.
Excellent. And if you already left home and are traveling?
I'm already on my way there.
Amazing job, everyone. You're doing so well.
Before we finish today, I want to say something important.
Me too.
Please do not give up on your English journey.
Even if speaking feels scary, even if you make mistakes, keep going.
One sentence every day can completely change your future.
And remember, you are much closer to fluency than you think.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
We truly hope this episode helped you relax, practice, and enjoy English a little more.
Keep practicing your 99 sentences, keep thinking in English, and keep believing in yourself.
Take care on your way back home.
And we hope you have a wonderful day.
See you next time on Speak English with Ease.